because I thought it just had some nice movement in it. It's got nice movement in its trunk. It's got some little wiggles, and that's nice. You know, stick straight isn't always the best. So now what we got to decide is where do we want to see the front of this tree? You got two things to consider. So we got this split up here, so
that's got to be going.
we either use that as the top or we use this as the top. I don't think we can keep them both.
No.
This one gives us a little more taper.
Yeah.
This one's
like
pretty straight.
I like the shorter one better.
We've got some smaller stuff back here. We can take that down and let that hide behind there. Or we can take it all the way off. Now we got a branch here that could become a back branch to this front. There's not much else there, so I think if we take that back, try to get a little bit of taper into it. I think this needs to be the front side because, and this branch probably.
Hang on. Let's just pull that side back. Look at that. You really get the movement.
Really get some nice movement there. Yeah. And then they're going off to the sides. Then this one becomes the eye poker, but that's okay because we got 1, 2, 3. We don't want another one going there anyhow. So let's remove this one. That just sort of opens that up there. Now that's a nice back. That's a nice back. This could even be swung this way, although we have a branch here. So. But these two are almost apart.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
You know, these are almost apart. They are apart. And that's okay. If we keep this one, we get rid of that one, then we got space here and here. This one, then we can just coax that way a little bit. So I'd say this one here is probably that one away. I'd leave that one, but it's just going to become another bar branch, so we might as well just remove it now and be done with it. Now this one coming out of there. Almost like the knees become parallel, so that's
I was going to bring my hair clip and